is Anna from All DIY Crafts, and I found this cup. I have like things I want to craft on someday, and I found this in the bag. So I thought I would go ahead and decorate it, and since we're in the fall season, I was thinking maybe something for fall or even Halloween. I chose fall, so I have this holographic vinyl. It's permanent vinyl that we're going to go ahead and use onto this cup. So the first thing you want to do, that I do with any of my cups, is I'll just take a nice soft rag and just some alcohol, and I just kind of clean it. If there's any labels on here and you can't get the label off, you can go ahead and hit it with a heat gun, and then gently, and it will melt off. But you just have to hit a little bit, so that's what will work there. So I'm going to go for a fall, and I found this is kind of it's like a copper colored holographic. So what we do is we're going to go ahead, and I have an actual cup holder, I just haven't put it together yet. Hopefully I'll put it together by the end of this video. We'll see. And what I'll do is I'll measure it, and this is going to tell me, first of all, I'm going to have this be, let's see, it opens here, people drink here. So I guess I'm going to have the design, the wording go this way. So I can go 4.5 by about 3. And then any other designs should probably only be 1.5, about 1.5 in diameter. And so that's how I figure out the first part of this. So we're going to go ahead and get to our design in Cricut Design Space, and we'll be right back.
Okay, so I am here in my design space, and I found two designs that I actually liked in the Cricut Design Space Library. And to find this, I go to Images, and then I clicked Fall, and then I clicked Leaf, and then that's how I came up with it. So then I would click this, and I would hit Insert Images. So we'll just go ahead and put this in there just so you guys can see it, and that's how I do it. I'm going to make this kind of a simple design. I'm going to be doing just one color. I'm just going to be doing the holographic, and we said we would do about 1 inch. And our issue might be this leaf. I'm not quite sure. So what we'll do is we'll make it about that big, and we'll duplicate it. This is actually came up and it was in a good size, so we're just going to leave it like that. Okay, so my son, we're doing online schooling here in California right now, and he's trying to learn the saxophone, so you may hear me cut out every once in a while, and that's why. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I want a few leaves, and I'm just going to go ahead and hit duplicate. And then if you want to do a few, what I'll do is I'll choose both of those, and I will duplicate, and we'll just kind of put them wherever we can. And maybe one more set here, I think. I don't know. We'll do a few sets. I mean, so right about here is where my microphone cut out. So basically I went ahead and I made quite a few of these, and I think we may have a couple extra. I'm not sure. So we're going to go ahead and hit Make It, and we'll get the Cricut Maker open. And you can see it lined it up really nicely here. So I can tell that I'm only going to need about 3 inches of this holographic vinyl and 12 inches wide and a little over 3 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and I will be cutting my vinyl to approximately 4 inches just in case. Okay, so we'll go ahead and hit continue. And once it finds my Cricut Maker, what's really nice is that all I have to do is, instead of doing it on the machine like I had to do on my Cricut Air Explorer, which I didn't mind, all I have to do here is just click vinyl, and then I'll just go ahead and load, and we'll go.